Morning, it's Matt here with Avant-Garde 911R. We have this 550 Maranello that's ending this morning. It's a no reserve car, so last bidder's winner. Any questions for us, use the contact seller button and we'll get right back to you right away. We're watching all that stuff all the time. I just want to do a quick little walk around outside and here in the sun in the warm Arizona heat and talk about the car. The whole front of the car has PPF on it, including the headlights. Tires on it are brand new. We just installed them here 2 weeks ago. They're brand new. What's come around on this car? You know, Ferrari in 97, 98 started adding some options that you could add. I was a dealer. I was the general manager of Ron Gran Turismo at the time, and so I remember all those options coming out. But the big thing on this is the enameled badges. And you can tell these are factory ones because they're indented into the fender. That makes this car really special. Coming around to the inside, you can see beautiful 4208 beige leather interior. The dash is original on the car. It has minor shrinkage on the passenger airbag and a little bit around the center binnacle. Very minor. The center binnacle area I think could be glued down without too much effort. It does have very expensive Keith Collins mats in it. At least I believe those are Keith Collins mats. They're sculptured carpet, and that's what they look like. And that's what we were selling a lot of those back in the day. And they were quite expensive, if I remember right. But power operated seat, the factory stereo, and of course the bolt action 6-speed manual transmission, which makes this car very special. Coming around the back, you got performance tube exhaust on it. You got also the rear carpet in the back, which again I believe was a Keith Collins mat. Well, I bet you between those two things was a couple grand. You know, driver's side is very beautiful. All the door sill is nice. No sticky stuff on anything. It's all been addressed and taken care of. Steering wheel's in great shape. This is just really a beautiful car. You know, it's the penultimate, front engine Ferrari V12. Let's just start it up and hear how it sounds. Ferrari Scottsdale just did $20,000 worth of work on this thing in the last 30 days. Timing belts, the fuel filters, the fuel pumps, all the important stuff, all the expensive stuff has been done on this one. You know, you're getting a car that's serviced by Ferrari, well taken care of, and beautiful red Ferrari. So let us know if you have any questions. If you are interested in a shipping quote, let me know. If you're interested in 911R selling a car for you, let us know as well through the contact seller button. Happy to help out. And again, no reserve, selling today.